What's in a natto box and how to eat it the right way? Natto, Japan's most loved and hated breakfast food. Sticky, smelly, controversial, but also a Japanese superfood. Packed with protein, fiber, and probiotics, some say it's the one thing you should eat every day. Most people eat it wrong, so do you know the best way to enjoy this superfood? If not, stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to eat natto the right way. Step 1. Keep it cold. Always keep natto in the fridge until the moment you eat it. It keeps the texture firm and the smell much milder. Step 2. Open it up. Peel the lid and you'll find 2 tiny packets inside, sauce and mustard. Take them out and set them aside. Step 3. Stir first. Whatever you do, don't add the sauce or mustard yet. First, mix just the beans. Why? Because stirring releases the umami and makes it stickier, creamier, and way more flavorful. Some people mix 30 times. Some go for 100. There's no perfect number, but you must mix first. Step 4. Add flavor. Now you can add the sauce and mustard. Stir again to blend it all together. Step 5. Add toppings. Feel free to toss in chopped green onion, ginger, or even raw egg. There's no wrong way, just your way. Step 6. Eat with rice. And here's a little trick most people don't know. Don't use steaming hot rice. The heat can ruin the enzymes in the natto, the very things that make it so healthy. Let the rice cool down just a little before you eat. That's the smart way to enjoy it. It may look gross to some, but it's been loved in Japan for over 1,000 years. You made it to the end, which means you're probably curious about food and a little adventurous too. So, would you try natto this way? Or do you have your own way of eating it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I'm Japan Girl Shorts. I share real stories about Japanese culture, society, and the hidden rules behind them. This one? It came from your comments, so keep them coming. If this story made you think, drop a like, it really helps. And if you want more, feel free to follow. See you in the next one. Until then, stay